Hi guys, DIY Dad here. Today we'll be changing the cabin filter of this 2007 Volkswagen Passat. This would be the same as changing for all the later models of the Volkswagen series, the Jetta, Passat, and the Golf. Okay. To do this, we'll be going underneath the glove compartment on the passenger side. We'll take off all of this clippings. Okay, now take out the covering, and it would show that this one is our cabin filter container. Slide it off like this. Pull out your old filter. There we go. And then we'll pull it out. This is our old one. As you can see how dirty it is. There's a lot of dirt inside. This causes smell, and it doesn't filter anymore the air coming in your car. We got a new one here. Got the part number there. You can get this at eBay or your local parts store. Just be sure to get the OEM one. Okay, we'll go and put this on. Okay, now we slide it up and in. There you go. Then we'll put the cover back again. Just slide it back. There. It's done. Then we'll put back all the coverings. Just make sure all your air vents are aligned through the holes here. And we clip this one back. And we're done. Okay, now we're in the car. We've started it. Now we'll test the AC. Yes. No more smell. That's how you fix the smell in your car. Change your cabin filter. Alright guys, if you like the video, please subscribe, like, and comment, okay? Until next time, game on!